Welcome to Mindfulness Session for Doctors. It is a Sanjeevani Mantra telemedicine initiative. Telemedicine is playing a crucial role in combating COVID-19. Through telemedicine, doctors can do the assessment portion from a distance, thereby shielding themselves from the deadly virus. If you are planning to go to a hospital, go via virtual hospital. Land into any telemedicine platform. Consult the doctor through video call. Tell him your symptoms, your travel history, and based on the doctor's other advice, you please take the next step. Sometimes landing directly into hospital has created problem for the healthcare staffs, and it will create problem for you also. You can also get infected. Doctors burnout is a global phenomenon. It affects the health of both the doctors as well as the patient. In a recent study, it was found that 35 to 40% of the doctors and nurses suffer from burnout. The symptoms are low enthusiasm for the job, no job satisfaction, no pleasure out of the work, detachment from the work, and emotional exhaustion. The causes of doctors' burnout are complex. Extended working hours, constant time pressure, chaotic work environment, mounting paperwork, unproductive bureaucratic procedures, and legal lawsuits. These are the major causes of the burnout of the doctors. And the effect is high healthcare cost, high mortality rate of the patients, and low patient satisfaction. The present pandemic is like a solid punch on a fresh wound. Not only the working hour has extended further, but their numbers are diminishing because of isolation, quarantine, and even death. They have to brave the deadly infectious virus plus shortage of personal protective equipments. In a recent study during this pandemic conducted on 1250 doctors, it was found that 50% suffer from depression, 40% suffer from anxiety, and 71% suffer from distress. Then what is the solution? Researchers find ray of hope in mindfulness. Recently, Harvard Medical has given a solution to this. The 3 M's. M for mindfulness, second M for meditation, and third M for mantra. I recommend single M, mindfulness, because meditation and mantra, these are time taken. But when you practice mindfulness, it is very easy to practice the technology wise, and it gives effect immediately. You practice mindfulness for 5 minutes, see the situation before and after practicing, see how calm, composed, and happy you are. But before going further, I would like to summarize what I have said. I have said that telemedicine is playing a crucial role in this environment. I have said how you should go to a physical hospital via telemedicine platform for any consultation. Use this telemedicine platform. The doctor is shielded and you are shielded. I have talked of the symptoms of doctor's burnout. I have talked of the causes of doctor's burnout. I have talked of the effects of doctor burnout and how the burnout is becoming acute in this pandemic. They have to keep themselves isolated from their family members, from their loved ones. They have to constantly take crucial decisions: whom to quarantine, whom to put on oxygen, whom to put on ventilator, whom to isolate, whom to sit in the corridor. They are human beings. They also have feelings. The solution lies in mindfulness. Mindfulness is awareness of the present moment. Practicing mindfulness for 5 minutes only. It gives you happiness, calmness, and you are composed. In a recent study conducted on people performing mindfulness for 8 weeks, 5 minutes morning, 5 minutes evening, 8 weeks mindfulness. And after that, the MRI scan of the brain of those people who perform mindfulness shows less activity in amygdala, responsible for anxiety, depression, fear, and violence, and more activity in prefrontal cortex, which is responsible for happiness, calmness, and good behavior, good decision making capability, concentration, good interpersonal relationship. Mindfulness is of two types. The first is informal mindfulness. Informal mindfulness includes reading novels, listening music, playing musical instruments, painting, and formal mindfulness includes sense awareness, breath awareness, body awareness. Sense awareness, 5 senses, you devote 5 minutes on each senses. If you are observing in this house, see everything, observe it, the color, texture, hardness, softness. Then suppose you are using your ear, close your eyes and try to hear the sounds coming from around. If you are smelling, smell for 1 minute. Taste, touching, just feel the touch, softness of the skin, softness of the clothes. And awareness of the breath. You are inhaling you are inhaling and exhaling. Concentrate on this breath. Close your eyes and concentrate on the breath. Then body scan. Lie down on your bed or on the mat on the ground and sense each part of the body. Closing your eyes. And see the difference. You will be happy, you will be calm. mindfulness not only increases the productivity of the physicians by decreasing the burnout, but it also develops relationship with the patient, which has been found in two studies. In the first study, it was found that people who practice mindfulness, they have less burnout, less depression, less anxiety compared to those who did not practice. In the second study, by the Johns Hopkins University, they concluded that patient benefited most when they were treated by mindful doctors. So mindfulness is an important tool to take care of this burnout in doctors. I would like to recommend that all COVID warriors who return from their duty and before going to bed, they should practice mindfulness for at least 10 minutes. It will calm you, it will calm your nervous system, you will be happy and you will be having a sound sleep. What it does, it de-stresses the stress of the whole day. This is the beauty of mindfulness. You will have a sound sleep and in the next morning you are again fresh. Mindfulness is effective. Mindfulness brings happiness, but mindfulness must be supported by wellness programs in the hospital. Mindfulness must be supported by efficient systems in the hospital. Doctors are creative people. They enjoy taking care of the patients. They enjoy saving lives. Let them enjoy in their profession, which has been taught in their classroom. Don't involve them in unnecessary paperwork and unproductive bureaucratic procedures. Thank you.